Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a maker price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, you're wondering why I'm making a maker because we have hit perfectly our scenario fib level 0.786 and we are currently in this wave 4 toward the upside inside our leading diagonal. So perfect hit for our prediction here. And now we are in this wave 4, probably, of course, it's still unfolding. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, but let us first, of course, make a recap for the bullish and a bearish scenario overview for Maker. So starting on the weekly chart, we have an ABC toward the upside, a finishing wave, a W or a wave A. After this, we got an A, a B, and currently we are in a wave C toward the downside. This wave C, obviously, it is a leading diagonal, and that because of the characteristic of this wave 1 and 2 here, you have, of course, a zigzag, meaning the only way to unfold, of course, a wave C in a zigzag form for a wave 1 is a ending diagonal, of course, in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this, of course, our bearish scenario where we would like, of course, to finish this wave C towards the downside around, of course, the 1-to-1 and the 0.618. And that because, of course, you are looking at 3 waves up and 3 waves down. Your 3 waves down is a zigzag here, looking at this impulse, meaning, of course, you are in a wave A, and then looking for a wave B after it, and a wave C at 1-to-1, $320 for Maker. After this, we are finishing here an A, B, and a C towards the upside. Of course, your wave C is, of course, impulsive as well for targets around the 1-to-1 fib level 6,400 for Maker, meaning taking the all-time high probably was a few dollars, maybe even higher. It can be an extended wave C. However, let's move inside it and see what happened inside a Maker here. So for Maker, we are looking, for this ending diagonal. ABC as an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a leading diagonal here for a wave A. Very rare case scenario in a zigzag, but still. It can be, of course, we have a wave B, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave C for a wave A in a zigzag. Again, a wave B, of course, we got a 1, 2 here, and now we're looking for this movement toward the downside, a finished impulse 1, 2, 3, almost 4, and a 5. As you can see, let's zoom in. Of course, we have 1, 2, and then you have a big 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, extended wave 5 toward the downside. And now we're looking at a 1, 2, and probably, this is probably, of course, an A, B, and a C toward the upside, finishing this wave 4. So let's see this on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, as you can see, this is a very choppy wave here, where you might have a finish kind of an A, 3 waves up, correction in a triangle, probably in a wave B, and then a wave C toward the upside. Very, very choppy corrective wave. Of course, your wave C is very extended here, but it might, of course, continue toward the downside. So be careful with it. Now, let's see, of course, some targets for this wave 4. In case we are looking at a wave 4 here, we are taking this scenario for a wave 4 in a diagonal. Here we go. So we have hit perfectly right now the 0.618, of course, which is an uncommon target for a wave 4, preferably to not overshoot it. Preferably that we don't overshoot it. And that, of course, to keep up with a nice shape of an ending diagonal here, like this, And of course, this one has finished somehow like this. So now the next target might be, of course, our wave 5. Our wave 5 can be given as a target so far, in case we are bearish. So diagonal wave 5. This is exactly, inside the blue box required as, of course, for the daily between the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level. Don't forget the 0.618 is also a target for a big zigzag that we see from the top coming, that it can be uncommon, of course. So basically, we have to watch these price actions. 685 is much more likely to be hit perfectly for a wave 5, meaning you would like to see A, B, and a C hitting perfectly exactly this one. So yeah, I can remove the pass anyway. So yeah, basically this is our target 685 in an A, B, and a C zigzag toward the downside. Now, what if we are bullish here? You know, what if that this is a wave 1 and then looking for wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5? Meaning, yeah, in that case scenario, you have to consider here something else, of course. You have to consider that this might be one, well, yeah, it can be probably 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. However, if we zoom in a little bit inside it here, you can see that first your wave 1 it doesn't look impulsive, right? It's very overlapping. If this is a leading diagonal, your wave 5 is longer than your wave 3, no diagonal. If you have an A, B, and a C towards the downside here, your wave 2 has took the 886, meaning very low possibilities that this is a 1-2 for an impulse. Can be a 1-2 for a leading diagonal, possibly yes, but this is not the case scenario. Or when this happens, you have to confirm or you have to convert this into A, B, and a C, of course, as of course this is a wave B where you are looking for a wave C towards the upside. And here we go. This is your wave C unfolding in 1, 2, and then yeah, even actually it is a zigzag. 1 second. Impulse A, B, and a C, meaning this is a W, X, and a Y. Yeah, very yeah, very tricky because of course you have an impulse 2 and you're looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished. What is your 4, 5 if you are in an impulse? Therefore, of course, this is an A, B, and a C toward the upside, finishing a wave B, and looking here, of course, at a ending diagonal unfolding. And here we go, moving toward the downside right now. So yeah, probably it's gonna be a little bit fast because it is an impulse, of course. It has to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. That was it for Maker. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.